Good morning, everyone. Today is December 15th. It's Friday. And it has come to my attention that I have been saying the wrong date and day of the week in at least 2 vlogs so far. If I ever say the wrong date or the wrong day of the week, please know that the date on the thumbnail is the accurate date. I don't know what's wrong with me. And I'm not even catching it when I'm editing. So today, I know for sure today's Friday. There's no doubt in my mind. And I'm looking at the computer right now. It is December 15th, Friday. So I'm working and I'm not doing anything today. I'll probably show you my outfit later on where I'm wearing to church tonight. Because Friday nights we do go to church. My son is home from school today. He didn't feel good. He's just relaxing. He has no real symptoms necessarily. He said he had a little headache, but it's easy. I let him stay home if he's really miserable, and he seemed to be needing just a little bit of rest. So he's in the other room watching TV and resting, and he hasn't eaten. So that's a big sign that he might really need to be home because he loves to eat. So all I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna set up this display because I know I've talked about it a few times already. I'm working with the Christmas play, and I got 2 backdrops that are folded. They have all the fold lines and they came in. So the order that I placed yesterday was for a backdrop for the play. It arrived late last night. So I'm gonna lay that up on as much as I can on this curtain in this back of the room here, and I'm gonna try to steam it. That one is like a canvas material, so I think I can easily steam it. This other one I have is a little smaller and it's plastic, but I need to get these fold lines out and I need to roll them up in some way that I can transport them to the church so that they are in nice condition when I hang them back up over there. And then I have to put out these displays so it looks like a toy store, and I need 2 of those. So I have some toys set aside, my kids' stuff that I want to set up and see if it will look good. So I'm going to try to put the toy store display up on the back wall as well, and then or the backdrop, and then set up those 2 toy stations and see how everything looks. And that's pretty much what I'm going to show you what I'm working on today. But other than that, not really doing anything. So if you're interested in how all this is going to look, then I hope you keep watching anyway. Okay, so the directions say it can be steamed on the back of it, and it says to put a cloth in between the backdrop and the steamer, but I'm not doing that. I've already steamed a lot and it's looking much better. I just want to touch up that area over there and this bottom right corner here, and I think it looks fine. Now I'm gonna let this kind of dry, I guess, and I'm gonna roll it. This one is much more flimsy. I'm gonna take this down, hang this one up, and see what I need to do to it. I'm not doing anything to this. I'm gonna just leave it like this. I did not realize it was this long, so it looks good. I'm just gonna set up the displays now with the toys. Okay. I just dragged this thing up from the basement. I don't know how I did that. Anyway, this is gonna go. going to be part of the display on the stage. So we're going to have this. And now let me catch my breath. So this is why I don't exercise, because if I do something like this, that was a workout right there, serious workout. So I'm going to put out, of course I got to get my daughter to get all the doll supplies and set this up. I want this to be set up. And yeah, let me get this other stuff. So this will be over here with this. This will be over here. I can put this on top like that. But the stage will be set so that this is going to be on one side and this one will be on the other. But obviously I don't have the room for a stage. But I'm just going to do the best I can. And for this, I'm going to get a box and I'm going to put him in the box and put saran wrap in the front to make it look like he's in something. That's coming next. The bear only has one eye. How you gonna have a one-eyed bear in the toy store? I don't know what happened. So he's gonna be half off. Good. And I have bows. I need to add the bows I just got from the Dollar Tree. Put a nice big bow on that box, and then yeah, probably on both of those boxes. And I'm going to get my one last thing. Come on, Woody. Stand up, Batman. Come on now. And then this guy. I'm gonna have to put him for now. Okay, so that looks good. And I'm gonna just take a quick picture because this is pretty much the setup it's gonna be on the day, and minus a couple of little tweaks, but that's gonna be it for now. So I'm gonna share with you what it looks like actually on the stage if you stay tuned for more vlogs. So that's all for now. See you all tomorrow.